Hi, I'm Joe Pereira, one of the technical support engineers here at LC Automation, and today I'm going to show you the next generation paddle meter from Red Lion, the PM-50. With its larger graphical display, the brand new PM-50 lets you monitor your equipment and see your data like you've never seen it before, and with the smart device connectivity, you can monitor your data right when you need it. The PM-50 is great for new installations, but it's even better for retrofitting. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you how easy it is to retrofit the PM-50 into any 1/8 in panel cutout. So now I'm going to open the panel door and show you how easy it is to uninstall the PAX meter. So here we have the power cables and the signal cables in the back of the PAX meter. We're just going to unscrew those so we can take the meter out of the door and replace it with the PM-50. So now we have the cables out, we can slide the PAX meter out of the door, and the PM-50 will now slide straight back into the same cutout. The PM-50 has the push-in terminals, so there's no need for a screwdriver. We can just push our cables in and then we'll plug them right into the bottom of the PM-50. So we have the PM-50 installed in the panel now. As you can see, it's got a much bigger and brighter display than the existing PAX meters, or standard 1/8 in meters that we are used to. And we have the graphical displays now, which can be gauges or dials. And we also can have the large numeric display, which is what we're used to. These gauges, we can display up to 4 of them across these 2 pages. And we've also connected the device up to the Wi-Fi now, which means we can configure it remotely. And we can also remotely view these pages on any device which has a web browser. So there you have it. The PM-50 is the revolutionary new panel meter from Red Lion. With its sleek touchscreen, smart device connectivity, and data right when you need it, the PM-50 is surprisingly simple to install and use. If you would like more information or want to book a demo, then please give us a call on 01254 685 900 or visit our website.